Did you know there is a hidden setting buried inside your Android phone that promises to make your games look incredible, but might actually be killing your battery and overheating your device? It is called Force 4 XMSAA, and most people are turning it on without realizing what it is actually doing to their hardware. Let's jump right in and see if you should actually be using this, and how to find it if you want to test it out for yourself. First, we need to understand what this setting even is. MSAA stands for Multisample Anti Aliasing. If you have ever noticed those jagged, pixelated edges on 3D objects in games like Minecraft, basically looking like little staircases instead of smooth lines, that is what we call aliasing. When you force 4 times MSAA, your phone samples multiple points for every single pixel and blends them together to create a much smoother, higher quality image. The problem is that this doesn't come for free. It puts a massive amount of pressure on your GPU. If you are using a mid-range or an older budget phone, enabling this is likely going to cause your frame rates to drop, your phone to get hot enough to cook an egg, and your battery to drain faster than ever. However, if you have a high-end flagship, like a recent Samsung Galaxy S series, your hardware can probably handle the extra load. But even then, modern games using Vulkan or newer versions of OpenGL usually have their own optimization, making this manual toggle pretty much unnecessary for most newer titles. If you want to test it out to see if it fixes lag or jagged edges in your specific games, here is how you find it. Swipe down and tap on your settings icon. Scroll all the way to the bottom and look for About Phone. Tap on that, then find Software Information. Now, you're looking for build number. You need to tap on build number 7 times in a row. You'll see a little pop-up saying you are now a developer. Now, go back to your main settings menu and scroll to the very bottom again. You will see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on that. Now, we need to scroll down quite a bit until we find the section labeled Hardware Accelerated Rendering. Right there, you will see the toggle for Force 4 times MSAA. Flip that switch on and try out your favorite game. If the graphics look smoother and your phone stays cool, you might be in the clear. But if you notice your phone getting hot or the game starting to stutter, come back here and turn it off immediately. For most of you, the best advice is to keep this off to save your battery life. I hope this helps you get the most out of your Android gaming. Subscribe for more Samsung and Android tips. See you in the next one.